Hey foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious chili. This is eaten with some amazingly delicious cornbread, and I'll leave the link as well for making that. If you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like and share. So to a clean pot, you're going to add a little bit of oil, add your aromatics and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Add your scallions and some habanero peppers. Now the peppers, there's optional. If you don't like the heat, you can just omit that. You're going to add your tomato paste, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, then add your beef and your garlic. You're going to season with your chili powder, your chicken bouillon, give that a good stir. Not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. Then you're going to add your beans. I'm using kidney beans, black beans, green bell peppers, and you are going to add 1 can of tomato. That is diced tomatoes. Stir this really well. Then you're going to add your 1 cup of broth, and that is beef broth, and allow this to simmer for about 40 minutes on medium low until it becomes really nice and thick. And this is what it looks like, guys. This was so delicious. All right, I do hope you guys love this video. See you all on the next one. Bye bye.